Hello and welcome again to Steady Growth Academy, where potentials are unlocked. Last time we treated branding, which is our initial impression or that of the product. Even human beings brand, especially women or ladies when they want to involve themselves in an outing. Some places are enhanced to create the desired impression. That is the power of branding. My name is Dr. Uchenna Tabo Onyelofo. Life is a continuum, and to meet its demand is to remain sensitive in the trend. Accomplishments can cause temporary or permanent satisfaction, depending on mindset or knowledge. Permanent satisfaction is so dangerous that it can abandon one in the world of yesterday. Self-appraisal is not just about being dynamic, but makes room for self-questioning and benchmarking for better tomorrow. A friend told me an interesting story. One man, a very good man, retired as a civil servant in their house and made an upstairs, though not yet well plastered, but that was the only upstairs in the whole of the village. As a child, he didn't know that that upstairs wasn't the best until he left the village for college. Graduated in college with some of his mates, got jobs. In less than 5 to 8 years, they made more than 5 to 6 upstairs in the village, diminishing the place of the first upstairs. You need to see the benefits of the children from that initial upstairs. He said that the man every morning will come to the balcony and they will be appreciating him. The man didn't bother to plaster the upstairs again. He was satisfied and happy with his level. And in no time, these boys put behind all he's able to showcase. Like I've always said, arrival mentality is bad. When we sing, drum, and dance by ourselves, it shall not be considered so melodious until tested in the responses of the crowd or public opinion. It is said that the kings that give room for advice will always mitigate against the sports of public embarrassment. Self-appraisal platform keeps us on the spot of private judgment. Serious and successful people, organizations, nations have platforms to assess self if they must reap the benefit of the changing moment. Those that ignore such investment of time and all that is required in that regard eventually pay dearly. The Book of Lamentation admonished us in 3:40 to consider and examine our ways and return to the Lord. Why not? Even if you don't want to return to the Lord, you return to your good processes, good approaches. It goes to say that one of the easiest ways to remain in the path of success is to always consider and examine our ways. This extends to all facets of life, and best when we are on course to unlocking our potential. It is not enough to assess our accomplishments or examine our current situation per time, but also create and test scenarios that will predict the future. Therefore, in our journey to unlocking potentials, among other things to do, it is important to secure a permanent seat in the court of self-appraisal by screening ourselves of those spots capable of draining the agenda. It is one of the best ways to reward and assist ourselves. While dynamism questions the general approach in the time, self-appraisal fuels our do's and don'ts in the contest. It helps us control and contain our excesses and remain within limits. Caution should be applied as we appraise ourselves, because it is most likely we passed with distinctions in those exams we set and mark for ourselves. Therefore, an acceptable and consistent means of platform designed for such purpose would be very good for deployment. God will give us understanding. Thank you for listening. Again, keep following us on all our social media platforms and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you get this and disperse to others. Thank you very much. Self-appraisal is it. It helps us locate the spot that would have held us down. Thank you. See you again next week.